Hey there, Excel wizards. Get ready to have your mind blown because today we are diving deep into the secret treasure trove of Excel magic. In this explosive video, we are covering a mind blowing feature you probably did not know about, custom lists with autofill. But wait, this is no ordinary autofill. This is the stuff legends are made of. Imagine having your very own shortcuts for filling in repetitive data. Buckle up. We are about to take Excel to whole new level. Step 1. Say goodbye to boring. We are creating our own custom list. Whether it's superhero names or your favorite snacks, you can now have Excel remember your unique list of awesomeness. Okay, let's start with some example. For example, you are preparing inventory available sheet for your store. You have product list in A column and now you have to put sizes. For example, large, medium and small. You have to do it repeatedly. You have to do manually. It takes too much time and a lot of hurry. If you go with Excel autofill, it will just copy above cell because it is not added in its list. You don't be worried about it. You can add it manually. Just go to file, go to options, go to advanced options. Here you will have edit custom list. I want to add some specific data. I have already prepared it. Let's firstly go to that list which I have prepared for you. For example, I want to store this. Just go to file again, options, advanced, go to edit custom list, select numbers which you want to store or data which you want to store. Select it, press enter, import and add it. Press OK. Close it. Now moving back to our sheet. Now if I drag down it, now you can see, boom, a lot of time has been saved. It automatically changes large, medium, small because we have stored it in its custom list. Let's move to another simple example so you can understand easily. For example, I write A at there and I want ABC in sequence beneath this. If I use autofill, it will not do it for me because it's not stored in its custom list. So again we go file, options, advanced, and here we have option of edit custom list. We just select the list which we want to add. You can do any custom list which you want. For example, your score, yes or no, anything you want to do. Just click add, import. I have already selected import and press add, press OK. Now if I moving back to my sheet, now if I drag down it, now it will be in sequence A, B, C, D, E and E, F. You can add any of custom list in your Excel for your future work or your continuous work. For example, your future work is sizes with, you just add it so in future you don't make to do it again and again. You just select it and add it. As you see, you can add any of your data into your custom lists. Wait, did you think the excitement ends there? No. Let me drop the bombshell. Accessing your custom list, it is easy as easy pie. Just type the first item. For example, I type A. Drag the little corner handle at there and boom, your list comes alive. I know, it's like Excel just went turbo mode, right? Custom lists with autofill are hidden gems that make your life easier, smoother and, dare I say, more fun. So my fellow Excel adventurers, If you're ready to unleash the full power of Excel and impress your friends, boss, or even yourself, get ready to explore custom lists with autofill. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping Excel revelations. It's time to step up your Excel game and embrace your magic. Stay curious and keep on rocking because Excel just got a whole lot cooler.